Hi, it's Karen. Today I'm going to be making a pastry cream, and it's based off of Daniel Halleck's cookbook for his vanilla custard filling, but I did change it a little bit. So let's get started. Oh, by the way, it's 1 point per serving, which is incredible. And I'm going to be using it in a German raspberry roll cake for Easter. So here we go. The first thing we want to do is get 3 or 4 egg yolks in a bowl, which I've already done. So let's do that. I'm gonna get it all. We're gonna add all of this to a pot and whisk it. So I have it all ready, so it'll go quickly. And of course I'll put the recipe in the description and a link to the German cake as well. So we got the egg yolks. We're going to put 3/4 cup of water. We're going to put 1 cup of almond breeze, almond milk, unsweetened vanilla. And we're going to put 1 package of instant sugar-free vanilla pudding. Jello pudding. I didn't even start it to boil yet because I'm going to need to whisk it once I start the heat on it. So the next thing we're going to put in here is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And the next is 1/2 cup of monk fruit sugar, just the regular, sugar. You could use other kinds if you want. Next, we're putting 3 tablespoons. What do I do with the thing here? There it is. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch that I put a little bit of water in to make it liquid. So I don't know, about maybe 3 tablespoons, but just try a little bit and just to make it enough liquidy. And then the last thing we're going to put in is 1 tablespoon of Anthony's butter powder, which I got off of Amazon, and this stuff makes everything taste good. So we're going to put that in. It's 1 point for 1 tablespoon. No, it's 2 points for 1 tablespoon. And then we're gonna whisk this up. So I'll be back. I just wanted to say that we're gonna whisk this until it comes to a low boil, and then we're gonna let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, it's thickened up, and you want it to be thick because I'm going to be putting it in a cake, so I don't want it runny, but I don't want it too thick either. So it still has a few lumps in it. I did add 1 more tablespoon of the butter powder. I'm not sure if that's going to change the points or not, so I'll let you know. I'm going to use a stick blender to get all the lumps out, and then you're just going to make sure you can see how thick it is. And then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator because I'm going to use it tomorrow in my recipe. So I'll show you how it looks in the cake. All right, thank you. Okay, and so this is what it looks like when it's done. It's like a pudding. It's still warm. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to use it for tomorrow. It also is 2 points per 1/2 cup serving. So I added that extra tablespoon of the butter powder, which really helps the taste. So it made it 2 points. So, oh well, okay. I'll see you later. Bye.